Welcome from the Fofo channel. I want to make some mathematic lessons for boys and girls who are studying in the primary level 5 and 6. If the students who want to study with videos, you can watch my channels. After watching my videos, please make a comment as your opinions. I will follow as per opinions, and I will make some videos for future what I can follow according to your suggestions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channels. If so, I want to appreciate and thank for all of you who have watched my videos. Please let me say again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channels. Okay, let's start about the video for today. The following's heading will be under the number system, and subheading will be understanding the place value. Let me explain about the place value grid from 10,000s down to hundreds. The key to understanding place value is that each position is 10 times the value of the position to its right. Moving left makes a digit 10 times bigger. Moving right makes it 10 times smaller. The place value grid. Let's write the grid from left, largest values, to right, smallest values. The decimal point, which is between ones and tenths, is the central reference point. Let me explain. Moving from left to right. 1 10,000s. This is the big side of the grid. This means a digit in this place represents that digit groups of 10,000s. For example, in the number 10,000, 1 means one group of 10,000s. As number like this, 1 times 10,000 equals 10,000. 2 thousands. This means a digit in this place represents that digit groups of thousands. Relationship is 10 times smaller than the 10,000s place. You need 10 groups of thousands to make one group of 10,000s. As number like this, 10 times 1,000 equals 10,000. For example, in the number 2002 means two group of thousands. 300. This means a digit in this place represents that digit groups of hundreds. Relationship is 10 times smaller than the thousands place. As number like this, 10 times 100 equals 1,000. For example, in the number 303 means three groups of hundreds. 4 tens. This means a digit in this place represents that digit groups of tens. Relationship is 10 times smaller than the hundred place. As number like this, 10 times 10 equals 100. For example, in the number 44 means four groups of tens. 5 ones. This means a digit in this place represents that digit groups of ones. Relationship is 10 times smaller than the tens place. As number like this, 10 times 1 equals 10. This is the starting point, or the ones place. For example, in the number 5, 5 means 5 groups of ones. 6 tenths. This is the small side of the grid. This means that a digit in the tenths place represents the fraction that digit by 10. The word tenths means 1 out of 10 equal parts. In a fraction, it's 1/10. Relationship is 10 times smaller than the ones place. It takes 10 tenths to make 1 ones. As number like this, 10 times 0.1 equals 1. For example, in decimal number 0.6, 0.6 means 6 tenths, or 6 by 10. 7 hundredths. It means that a digit in the hundredths place represents the fraction that digit by 100. This means 1 out of 100 equal parts. In a fraction, it's 1/100th. This is why it's called hundredths. Relationship is 10 times smaller than the tenths place. It takes 10 hundredths to make 1 tenth. As number like this, 10 times 0.01 equals 0.1. For example, in decimal number 0.07, 0.07 means 7 hundredths, or 7 by 100. Finally, the decimal point. This is the most important marker. It separates the whole number part on the left from the fractional part on the right. Everything to the right of the decimal point is less than 1 whole. How to write this number in digit? That is 12,345.67. What is in words? 12,345.67. The big picture connection. The relationship between 10,000s and hundredths shows the power and consistency of our number system. The 10,000s is the same as 1,000,000 hundredths. As an equation, 0.01 times 1,000,000 equals 10,000. The proof is as follows. How many columns we have to move the digit 1 from hundredths to 10,000s? We have to move to the left 1 hundredths to tenths, 2 tenths to ones, 3 ones to tens, 4 tens to hundreds, 5 hundredths to thousands, 6 thousandths to 10,000s. We have moved 6 columns. Each move is multiplied by 10. So, 6 moves are 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 is equals times 1,000,000. On the other hand, we can say the 1 hundredths is the same as 10,000 divided by 1,000,000. As an equation, 10,000 divided by 1,000,000 equals 0.01. The proof is as follows. How many columns we have to move the digit 1 from 10,000s to hundredths? We have to move to the right 1 10,000s to thousands, 2 thousands to hundreds, 3 hundreds to tens, 4 tens to ones, 5 ones to tens, 6 tenths to hundredths. We have moved 6 columns. Each move is divided by 10. So, 6 moves are 10 by 10 by 10 by 10 by 10 by 10 is equals divided by 1,000,000. You can refer my explanation when you are solving the multiplications and divisions with the whole numbers and their decimal numbers. This is the end of lesson for today. Please let me say again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channels. See you again in the next video lessons.